Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing my AGRADO slip-on shoes. And disclaimer, all shoes shown in my videos are not unboxed. They are shoes that I've owned and I'm reviewing based on the condition after the open box until what they look like now. The pros, the cons. Let's get into it. So I'm reviewing my AGRADO white, and it's a two-tone sneakers. Love these sneakers. Love these sneakers. These sneakers kind of remind me of what nurses wear, and you see people wear in the hospital, but you know, that's not what I wear it for. This shoe, over the years, is seen its better days, and it's been good. Have no complaints. I don't have a bad review for this today. I'm just going over, this came out in 2019, and is in the 5-year threshold. So most of my videos I'm reviewing shoes that have been worn and what is like now comparing to when it was new. The issues I have is whenever you walk, this foot it does probably my walking, so it scars here. So I have a little bit of bruising on the tip right here on this one. I also have a light bruising here also. The leather is pretty soft, as you know, I clean my shoes with water and liquid soap, done, and so far so good. I haven't seen any fading and stuff like that. The insole is still pretty good, still pretty good condition, still have the wear tag on it, and it's very comfortable. The laces are still intact. Overall, it's a pretty sturdy shoe. The stitchings are still intact. This piece right here is still intact. Gucci's are still visible. The bottom is still, it's good, no visible that much wear on it, and it's been standing up pretty good. So I do not have a bad review on this in which I could say well anything negative. And since I've had it, I've worn it and I've wore it, so it's just one of my reviews of what my shoe looks like now. I would say 5 years later compared to when it came out, and it's still in pretty good standing. It's pretty impressive condition. And I wear all my shoes. They're not showpieces. I wear all my shoes. So I don't see any movements right here. There's no form of discoloration. You know what I mean? So for 5 years, it's still going on pretty good. This is just the design. This is just the design for here. And still going good. Still going good. So this is just a short video that I'm just making, just my review on what this shoe looked like 5 years later, and it's hold up pretty good, have no faults. Just that little rash right here, and that's from hazards, wear and tear, and it holds up pretty well. On right here you got just a little bit of the edge dye. It's not there. That's from wear and tear. They both are on this one right here. So far it stand up pretty good. I don't have a negative to say about it, and 5 years later, still looking good. And yeah, that's just my review of this shoe 5 years later. So as always, all shoes featured in my videos, they are my shoes. They are shoes that already been worn, shoes that I've had for years, shoes that I'm reviewing based on the wear and tear, the pros, the cons. So far, I don't have no cons on this. The pros is that the leather still standing strong, still smooth, still soft, and still looking good, you know. So I don't have much to really say about it. You know, the bottom is pretty, you know. I have the sandals too, the two-tone sandals that in the ERG, I think, or GRG. I have that one, which is the two-tone, the blue, red, green, red. I have that too, with the same bottom. And I also have another sneakers too, with the same bottom. So I do not have much to say about this one. And my review on it is very, very positive. And do remember, when you clean your shoe, make sure you use mild water. I would say a little bit of soap, liquid soap preferably, water with a thin cloth, soft cloth, nothing rough, that you could rub the dye from the leather. Because I remember I was cleaning here because there was a scuff right here and here, and I almost scrubbed a little bit too much, and it would have removed the dye, the white dye, and they do remove, they would come off. So I don't see nothing negative about it. So so this is a thumbs up for 5 years later, what it looks like. And this is after the unboxing, after the wear, after the stress test. It's been good. So as always, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment. As I always say, anything that might be inaccurate in my videos, anything you find that might be wrong, please let me know. Until next time, thank you for watching.